What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Ow. C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself, baby. And I hope everybody's having a great day. You know, we are in the beautiful heart of nature right now. Look at that right there. Look at all those little ducklings. Yes, sir. But yo, this video today is, you already know, from God through my mouth to your ears. Listen, this is a mindset that I adopted in my life. And I just came through with this video just to share it because it might help out some other chosen ones. It might help out some other empaths. My voice alone could help out and save hundreds, thousands, who knows? You get what I'm saying? Millions, who knows? Listen, people, when in doubt, get the F out. Huh? When you are in doubt, get the F out. Why you say that, C Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones, empaths, you need to understand, you need to understand, overstand that if somebody around you is causing confusion to your spirit, causing confusion to your soul, your mind, your emotions, that right there is an energy vampire. Listen, I'm like Blade out here when it comes to these energy vampires, okay? Once they see me coming through, oh my God, they either run for the hills or they try to fight for their life, but then they don't get far. You see what Blade be doing. I'm like Blade. Anyways, these energy vampires are around us, chosen ones, empaths. You gotta understand, right now there is a war going on, a spiritual war, and I like to call it the chosen ones versus the less than smart ones, the empaths versus the narcissist. And this really is prevalent in our times right now, literally. Just look outside of what's going on. Love versus hate all day going on the news. That's all that you see is hate. Feel me? Sorry, you got me looking down. There's a lot of duck poop on the ground, so I gotta watch my step. Listen, there is a war going on, and your soul is the prize. You get what I'm saying? Your soul is what they're coming for. That's what they want, chosen ones, empaths. Feel me? And I'm here to tell you, as a tool on your journey, because it's a long journey, as a tool, when in doubt, that means get the F out. Fellas, you messing with this shorty, she giving you the hot, cold energy, flaking on dates. Text her, she leave you on red for 3, 4, 5 hours, maybe the whole night. Text you in the morning, oh, I fell asleep. Oh, my dog died. Oh. Fellas, when in doubt, get the F out. When in doubt, get the F out. Same thing goes for ladies. Ladies, he's out. Doesn't pick up his phone. Saying? Doesn't give you the emotional, mental support that you need, the mental, emotional stability that you are needing as a woman. If he's not giving you that, if he's making you confused, when in doubt, get the F out. That's a mindset I adopted. And I suggest you adopt the same mindset also, because like I said, these energy vampires, they are coming for that ass. All day, every day, since the day of your conception, Feel me? But trust me, you got God's protection out here. You got the spirit, you got the blood of the Holy Spirit on you, baby. Feel me? You know how protected you are, how cool you are in the spiritual realm. You don't get it. You don't even get it. You a spiritual celebrity. Feel me? So that means down here on earth, you are so protected. Your angels are like TSA agents. Huh? That means not just anybody can get around you. But in the Bible, they said it. God said the devil he could do whatever to his chosen, but he can't lay a finger on them. Feel me? He could do whatever, torture, mental, emotional, whatever, but they cannot put a finger on you or your family, chosen ones. That's so you're so protected out here. You are so protected out here. So that means you gotta protect your energy, protect your space, protect your spirit, protect everything. Because this, like I said, you're in the spiritual realm too, walking around, and these spiritual vampire and bloodsuckers, oh my God, they are out here. I just had to go through it for mad years, like 20v1 out here. You get what I'm saying? Like 20 versus 1. I'm one little itty bitty little I'm one itty bitty little soul out here trying to just make success for myself, and that's like swimming in the sea with sharks. You get what I'm saying? Oh my God. Whew. Anyways, listen. This is a quick video. When in doubt, get the F out. Say it with me. Let's say it together. When in doubt, get the F out. When in doubt, get the F out. When in doubt, get the F out, huh? That's what we doing. We getting the F out, chosen ones. We don't got time to play. We don't got time to be messing around with these narcissistic, parasitic, damn near terrorists. You can call them all what you want. Damn near Decepticons, Deceptionaires. All they do is practice the art of deception. Get them away from you. Oh, God. I had to clean those little dust bunnies off of me, looking at those little pipsqueaks like, yo, get the hell, security, get them away from me. You know what I'm saying? Dust them off your shoulders, chosen ones, and watch how God just bless you. Watch how the blessings just rain upon you. Feel me? Ugh. Get these cloudy ass people away from you, yo. And I know you got them in your life. If you're watching even to the point of this video, I know they're in your life. And if you're even watching to the point of this video, hit me in the comment section with a what's up, my boy. Feel me? Listen. Listen. Cut them off. Save time. Save